Welcome to VDR channel. Present topic is bank reconciliation statement part 3. Okay, if you like my class, please subscribe our channel, click bell icon, share, comment. Okay, here we want to explain in the cash book and passbook. Here those who receives but not created in the passbook, those items which are recorded in the cash book debit side and not recorded in the passbook credit side, that items only recorded in the cash book. Okay, those items which are recorded in the payments, those items which are recorded in the payment side of the cash book are not recorded in the passbook. They should be recorded in the cash book payment side. Okay, those items which are recorded in the passbook credit side but not recorded in the cash book debit side, that items only recorded in the passbook. Those items which are recorded in the passbook debit side, like payments, bank charges, bank paid interest, rent, taxes, etc., are recorded in the passbook only. The items which are recorded in the passbook are not recorded in the cash book. That items only recorded in the passbook. Okay, let us, we have to see the one problem. Okay, previous examination problems are: prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following: overdraft balance as per passbook. It means passbook debit side. Check issue but not presented for payment. Cash book credit side. Check deposited but not collected. Cash book debit side. Interest credited in passbook only. They only said interest credited in passbook, so it will be showing the passbook credit side. Wrong credit in passbook, so passbook credit side. A customer directly deposited into our bank, it means passbook credit side. Okay, the customer directly deposited in our account, it comes into the passbook credit side. Okay, let us see the solution. Overdraft balance as per passbook, it means passbook debit side, 28,000. A, round up the amount. Where there is a balance, the symbol will be shown minus, opposite direction plus, minus plus. Balance side is minus, opposite side is plus. Where balance is given, that side will be shown in the minus. Okay, first point. A point is overdraft balance as per passbook. Check issue but not presented for payment. It means check given to the customers but not payment. So it recorded in the cash book debit side, 11,000. Okay, checks deposited but not collected. Okay, cash book debit side, 8,000. Interest credited in passbook. They said only interest credited in passbook only. Interest should be credited in passbook only. Okay, 400. Next, wrong credit in passbook. Passbook wrong credited. It means 2,000. A customer directly deposited into bank. A customer directly deposited into bank. It means passbook credit side, 1,500. Okay, let us prepare the bank reconciliation statement as this is the working part. Particulars, amount. Overdraft, A point. Overdraft as per passbook, 28,000. Add 11,000. B point is check issues but not presented for payment. Checks issued but not presented for payment. 11,000. Here plus value is only 1 in cash book. Here DEF 400. 400 which is, it means interest credited in passbook only. Interest credited in passbook only. 400. Next, wrong credited in passbook. 2,000. Wrong credited in passbook. Wrong credited in passbook. 2,000. Next, a customer directly deposited our account. కస్టమర్ మన అకౌంట్ డైరెక్ట్గా అమౌంట్ డిపాజిట్ చేస్తే పాస్బుక్లో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రిసిప్ట్ టు అవర్ అకౌంట్. సో ఏ కస్టమర్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డిపాజిటెడ్ into our account 1,500. Okay, total 11,400, 2,000, 1,500, 14,900. Add 28,000, 42,900. Less only one item 8,000. 8,000. Checks deposited but not collected. Checks deposited but not collected. 8,000 less 8,000 minus 8,000, 34,900. Here opposite name, overdraft balance as per passbook means overdraft balance as per cash book. Reverse name should be recorded. Overdraft balance as per cash book. So this is the problem. Okay, we have to see the another problem. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. A point, bank balance as on 31st December 2015 60,000 rupees as cash book. It means cash book debit side. B, check deposited into bank 2,000 or not collected. Cash book debit side. C, check issued 3,000 not yet presented. So cash book credit side. Bank interest credited in passbook only. So passbook credit side. Bank charges 100 rupees debited in passbook only. Okay, sometimes theory questions also given like overdraft, dishonour of check, bank draft, define check. They may be given as theory questions also in examinations. Okay, let us see the solution. Bank balance as on 31st December 2015 60,000. So 60,000. A point. My balance, where there is balance, here cash book, bank balance. So balance is same side, the same side will be minus. Opposite side is plus. Similar to passbook, minus plus. Check deposited but not collected. If the checks deposited, first we record in the cash book debit side. B, point 2,000. Checks deposited but not collected. C, checks issued not yet presented or payment. Checks issued not presented or payment. Cash book credit side 3,000. Bank charges 1,500 rupees credited in passbook only. Credited in passbook only. Bank interest D point 15 bank interest credited in passbook only. Bank charges 100 rupees debited in passbook only. Okay, next see the solution. So balance as per cash book 60,000. Add items. C point 3,000. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Checks issued but not presented for payment 3000. Next T point 1500. 1500 is bank interest credited in passbook only. Bank interest credited in passbook only 1500. 4500 plus items. Add 64,500. Next less. B point 2000. Checks deposited but not collected. ₹2,000. 100 rupees. Bank charges debited only in passbook. Bank charges debited in passbook only. PB means passbook. 100. So 2,100 minus 62,400. Here opposite name should be recorded. Balance as per cash book. Opposite name is balance as per passbook. So balance as per passbook. Okay, this is the problem. We have to see the another problem also. Okay, these are the previous examinations problems given in the various universities. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2015 from the following particulars. Bank balance as per cash book 6,000. Out of B point, out of checks deposited in the bank for collection 16,000. The checks amount 14,000 not realized. It means 14,000 rupees amount deposited in cash book debit side but not collected. Okay. C point, out of checks issued 10,000 rupees checks worth rupees checks 8,000 not yet presented. It means checks issued 8,000 not presented for payment. That amount will be recorded in the cash book credit side. Interest 1,400 credited in passbook. So passbook credit side but not recorded in cash book. Okay. So cash book credit side. Bank charges 240 not recorded in cash book. It means passbook debit side. Okay. This is the question. So let us see the solution. Bank balance as on cash book 6,000 rupees. 6,000 minus plus minus plus. Where balance same side minus opposite side plus. Similar to the passbook. Out of checks deposited in the bank 16,000. 16,000 deposit. Not collected 14,000. So we record the 14,000. Checks deposited, partly not collected 14,000. 2,000 collected, 42 not collected. Only not collected amount should be recorded in the cash book. Next, checks issued 10,000 with 8,000 not presented. So 8,000 rupees not presented for payment. C point. This is the B point. A. Interest 1040 credited in passbook only. Credited in passbook only. Passbook credit side 1040. Bank charges 240 rupees not recorded in cash book means it recorded in the passbook. Okay. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. It means recorded in the cash book. Okay. This is the problem. So let us see the solution. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2015. Balance as per cash book 6,000. Add 8,000. Checks issued but partly not presented for payment 8,000 rupees. Next 1040 interest credited C point D point. Interest credited in passbook only 1040 9040 15,040 rupees. Less items, less 14,000 rupees. It means checks deposited but not collected partly 14,000. Next 240 bank charges not recorded in cash book. It means recorded only in passbook 240 14,240. So less 15,040 minus 14,240 800 rupees balance. Opposite name. So here balance as per cash book, opposite is balance as per passbook. Balance as per passbook. Okay. Next. Here in this class we have explained the 3 problems. Some more problems will be explained in the next class. If you like my class, please subscribe, click bell icon, share, comment. Thank you very much.